Hey guys, Lady Locks here, and I've got Puka. This is a challenge lock made by LockedOut Freediver 72 and Picksmith. Comes with a little book, little journal to put in your name. I guess what you kind of think of it, when you picked it, where you live, that kind of thing. This is a unique challenge lock. It says challenge, do not gut. The 90-degree to 90-degree quest. Pick lock to 90 degrees either way, and then pick to the other 90 degrees. And please video picking. So I picked this, the keys in here. I'm not really gonna, well, I guess it doesn't matter. I've already picked this one. So here's the key, check it out. This one's designed that you can use the key to place the lock in whichever position you'd like to start from, or if you want to practice from a certain position going the other way, you can use the key, to go to whichever position you'd like. But check out the etching on the key, very cool. And Picksmith did the etching. It says Puka, and I think it's really nice looking key. So, and LockedOut Freediver 72 made the box. The detail on it is really nice. I really like how he wrote this Puka on there. And how it shows the core there. Just really cool. Really cool little lock. So I want to get this picked. I'm sending this on to Sadistic Picker when I'm finished. I did say I did pick it the other day on picking time. I hadn't picked it before that, so it was quite a challenge. It took me a while to get it picked, and I picked it 90 to 90 on picking time. So if I run too long, I'm just going to go ahead and call it on this video because I have picked it already. But I just thought I would video some of the picking because it's a beautiful lock and definitely worth showing off a little bit. I had LockedOut Freediver's other lock that he made, Singularity, and I wasn't able to get it picked on camera, which bummed me out because it was a really nice lock and I wanted to show that one off a little bit, but I couldn't. So I kind of just made a video showing the lock and showing a picture of that I had it picked, but I couldn't catch it on camera. This one though I did catch on camera, so I'm hoping to be able to do that again now for this video. And even if I only get a couple of turns on it, I'll be happy. But it did take me a little bit to get it picked. I've been busy working on a couple specific locks that I've been trying to pick, so I haven't been picking too many challenge locks, and I haven't been picking too much of anything else other than the lock I'm currently working on. So until that one's done, I've kind of been, in kind of not making too many videos and stuff like that because of that. But alright, got a nice false set, and now I just need to figure out what needs to be picked. I think it's up here. Oh. Alright, something else I guess too. Okay. Alright, something in the back there. I really like locks that give me this back and forth feedback like this. They're very enjoyable to pick. I feel like they talk to you and tell you what they want you to do next. And this one is telling me that this in the front needs to be picked, but it doesn't want to go up. So I remember this when I was picking it before. I do remember that this one pin here is giving me lots of trouble. All right. I think that's just a false set. There we go. All right, so I got one turn out of it. And as you go, the binding order is going to change because each set of chambers are, you know, going to be different. They're going to be drilled out different, and you know, the imperfections are going to be in a different order. Or I should say the imperfections allowing you to pick it are going to be in a different order. So the pins aren't going to change, but depending on any type of milling or anything like that, the you know, it's going to feel a little different each time. So got it to that, and now let's pick it back the other way. All right, and continue around the circle. I believe Puka is a different language for circle. I think I want to say it's Hawaiian. I don't really remember what they told me it was, what language, but I believe that's what it was. Fitting, since you are picking this kind of in a circle. Okay. It gets kind of weird as you go. Trying to change directions picking is a little bit makes for a difficult time. Definitely a lot of fun to pick. If you want to get on the list to pick this lock, get a hold of Picksmith or LockedOut Freediver 72, and they will get in touch with the person who has the lock and see about getting you on the list if you know, if there's no one to pick it next, or if you want to pick it when they're done. But one more open, and I've got my 90 to 90. I can honestly say it is much easier the second time around and not on live. Being on live does make locks just not want to open. And so I guess this one doesn't mind being recorded. All right, there's the 90 to 90. Yay. So yeah, this one doesn't mind being recorded, I guess. Just doesn't like live. I mean, I still got it open on live, but it was really a battle. I don't know if it's because I was Trying to keep up with conversations. Of course, it was the first time picking it, so it kind of was... Alright, picked it back to the very beginning. So, I went in a full circle with it. Picksmith, really amazing job with the etching. I really love the etching on this. Let me grab the box and the key and that. Just lay it all out again. So yeah, the different ways that they have that written, just really beautiful. Again, the box that Freediver made, really cool. They got the cute little book, and once again the key was etched by Picksmith. I believe he etched this lock as well. He did the etching, and LockedOut Freediver did the box, and I guess the lock itself was a combo effort. But alright guys, there you have it, is Puka. Again, if you want to get on the list to pick it, get a hold of Picksmith or LockedOut Freediver 72, and they will get a hold of whoever's got this lock next and try to get you on the list. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please click the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.